Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can have a customized wallpaper and screen page for a focus. And we'll go ahead and also create a shortcut application, as I'd say, on the home screen so that you can toggle it on and off quickly. So first, go into settings, find focus. When you click into that, you'll see that there are already some focuses like do not disturb, work, sleep, etc. So you can use one of those if you want, or press the plus to make your own one. I'm going to do a custom one. I'm just going to call it tech. I'm going to go ahead and put the nice technology piece right there, hit next, and here you can customize it. Now you can choose people and you can choose apps for notifications. So you can silence them or allow them from different apps. Depending on how many apps you have and what permissions you give, some may or may not show. So in this one, let's give Canva push done. You can then customize the screen. Here, I'm going to go ahead and choose a lock screen. I already made one here that I want to use. If you want to pick photos, you can push gallery and then go ahead and go through. There's also weather and astronomy. There's different collections that you can do, or photo is what I did, and then selected a photo from my phone. So in this case, I'm just going to select this one, push done, and here you can choose a home screen page. So I'm going to choose this one right here as my focus. If you go back out, I have 3 pages here, and the fourth one, oops, just hold that. Fourth one is not shown there. So this was going to be one that kind of magically switches as I put this focus on. I'm going to push done. You can also optionally turn on smart activation. You can add a schedule like time, a location like when I get to my work location, or apps like whenever I open up one of these apps, turn this focus on. So again, you can do those as options. I'm going to keep this off, and you can also do a focus filter if you want some different behaviors. So I'm going to go ahead and call this good. When you have this, you can swipe down to the control center, find focus, push the new tech, and you can see in the background it kind of switched. When I go here, I have this one. And you can see that this turns on automatically when it's on. So these are the pages. You can push X to remove that. And I'm not going to turn this off, but you can see here my background home screen also changed. So whenever I want this off, I go to that and press it, and there we go. Now I'm back to that original wallpaper and app pages. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to create a shortcut for this. So if you don't have it already, get the shortcut app, go into it, press the plus. Now I want to add this action. You can type in focus and set focus and choose which one, tech. And I want this on until, well, it's turned off. You can also switch one of these, like when I leave, ask each time, whatever, but I'm just going to have this be a toggle. So I'm going to call this shortcut tech on. And you can also choose an image for this if you want. So there's the icons, the colors. What I'm going to go ahead here is push the I at the bottom and then go to add to home screen. Here, I'm going to choose an actual photo for this to turn on. And I just choose this one. And then now add. So here I have the tech on that looks like an app. When I press it, you can see that the background changes as well as there. And then now the apps that I have for this tech is all there on this focus. Next, I'm going to push this and go back into the shortcuts. And what I'm going to do is long press this and duplicate. I'm going to edit it and turn this from on, switch the rename to off, and press in the shortcut on to toggle it to the off. Same thing with the eye. I'm going to add to home screen, choose a photo. Let's do the moon this time. Add. And now I have this tech off app. So if I push that off, that focus turns off and I'm back here where I started. Push this button and now here I am in my tech focus. So you can have as many focuses as you want. So you could make one for work and have that have a toggle on and off. You can have one for tech. You can have one for gaming. I even have one for disc golf. So there's a lot of applications you can use for this. And honestly, it's pretty cool just to be able to push a button and have the whole thing change. And it can help you be more productive on your phone. Anyway, hopefully you find this helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for some more content.